Analytics in R&D. That's a very interesting topic. I've been going all across the world meeting customers since the last 10 years. And globally, there is one question for which I always get the same answer. At least two questions in reality. Question number one, is your company using analytics to drive the performance of their business? So is your CEO using dashboards and analytics to be able to understand how to take decisions on the price, on the product, or on their strategy? The answer is always yes. The next interesting question is, when it comes to product and programs, do you use analytic technology or do you use spreadsheets? And I can tell you, the answer is always, we use spreadsheet. The next interesting question, by the way, sometimes is, and by the way, is anyone ever modifying the data in the spreadsheet to make sure it represents what the boss wants to see, rather than what sits into the systems? I will not give you the answer to that question, I will let you bet. That being said, we have been working on why analytic technology have not been adopted by product engineering and manufacturing. And in fact, there is a very simple reason. Analytic technology, as it has been built for transactional systems, managing cubes and transactions, just does not work in the world of product. Why? Because what we do in the world of product, it's not transactions. We are manipulating the complexity of the product. That is a graph. A bill of material is actually a graph. And then we are not manipulating numbers, like in the financial system. We are manipulating semantic. Description of issues, descriptions of requirements. This is semantic. So if you try to take configurable graph described with semantic and put it into cubes, you will see it doesn't work very well. So at Dassault Systèmes, we have invested quite a lot for rebuilding analytic technology that are capable of understanding the complexity of the product, the graph, the configuration, and the engineering semantic. So for that reason, we now believe that it is completely possible to use the best of the analytic power to help drive performance in the world of product, whether this is for the performance of the product, the weight, the cost, the CO2 emission, or whether this is for the performance of the engineering processes, the task, the resource, the timing, or of course, whether this is for the performance of the plant itself, the overall performance, productivity performance, the availability of the plant, the resource consumptions, you name it. So as a conclusion, analytic technology to manage complexity of product and manufacturing, it's not the same type of technology as analytic technology for managing financial transactions in the accounting systems.